Hey, what is up, guys? I just got this package in the mail, a bunch of Yu-Gi-Oh cards that I ordered off of eBay. Hoping to get some good stuff. Let's go ahead and open it up. I already cracked the tape and opened up the box. Oh, nice Pokemon binder there. Bunch of... Looks like he decided to go with paper towels for the packaging. Alright, that's fine. I don't have my tripod with me right now, so if it's a little bit shaky, you'll know why. Alright. Ah, Mecha Phantom Beast Draco Sack from Lord Tachyon Galaxy. That's a nice card. Nice card. Couple Nordens, 1,000 Eyes Restrict, the Master Collection, a Tatsunoko, Armory Arm, that's nice, First Ed Ultra Rare from Duelist Pack. Oh, that's a Gungnir from Duelist Pack, that's nice. And the Dulorn, that's from Hidden Arsenal. Nice, okay. A bunch of Abyss Megalos, 3 from the actual secret rare from Abyss Rising. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm trying to do my best so you can see those. A couple of spell cancelers. Mulan Glacia, nice. 3 Neptibus, nice. Phantom Knights of Ancient Cloak, Dragonity Phalanx. Zaborg Mega Monarch, Kuraz, 3 Instant Fusion, Ultra Rare. Looks like a few of these cards slipped out during shipping. Debunked Secret Rare, I don't know if these were on this page or the other page. I'm guessing they were on the other page, but there's Breakthrough Skill, that's from the Premium Gold Ultimate Providence. These Breakthrough Skills are also from the Premium Gold. There's Storming Mirror Force, Mistake, Deck Lockdown, a couple Ultra Rare Dark Holes. Oh, nice, a few Ultra Rare Upstart Goblins. Those are going for a good amount of money for a while. Magic Deflector, a couple Fairy Winds. Ah, nice. Anti-Spell Fragrance, all from Turbo Pack 2. I'll just set those there and put them back later. So this came with a couple decks as well. This is the Monarch deck. Standard Monarch build with Caius, the Mega Monarch. Oh, that's the Secrets of Eternity one, not the reprint. That's nice. Majesty's Fiend, pretty much staple for Monarchs. Kuraz. Oh, it's nice. That's another super rare Kuraz. Another Majesty's Fiend. Ran 2 Majesty's Fiend and Thessalos. That's pretty good. Reinforcement of the Army. Pretty much staple for this deck. Twin Twisters. Another staple. You have to have that. At least one main. Looks like 2 remain, maybe. Solemn Warning. That's the Platinum. I'm not really into the Platinum rarities, but it's alright. Bottomless. So that's it for the Monarch deck. I'm trying to do this all one-handed while holding the camera, so bear with me. This is the Pendulum deck the guy had. Stygian Dirge makes all levels of face-up monsters reduced by 1. Ooh, ultra rare Mask of Restrict. Nice. Some Mind Drains, some super rare Imperial Iron Walls. That's nice. Flying Sea, ultra rare. Fog King, ultra rare. Nice. Cyber Dragon. Ooh, Chaos Hunter, secret rare. Nice. That's a nice card. Odd Eyes Rebellion Dragon, Absolute Dragon, Red Eyes Flare Metal Dragon, Ulti-Rare, Ultimate Rare, Big Eye, that's a nice card. Ebon Illusion Dragon from the Jump Pack. Norito, number 101, the reprint super rare. Castel, Abyss Dweller, Gaga Cowboy. Nice. Atrishula, that's a nice card. Ignister, Black Rose Dragon, Chimera Tech Fortress Dragon, Odd Eyes Vortex Dragon. And that's it for the extra inside. Main deck, Solemn Warning, Apex Avian, Allure, super rare, Allure, ultra rare, first edition, very nice. Odd Eyes Pendulum Dragon, Pendulum Call, Skull Acrobat Joker, Sacred Sword is 7 stars. Oh, 2 of them. Okay. Odd Eyes Fusion, Dragon Pit Magician, Feck Veiler super rare, Oath Dragon Magician, Dark Magician. Is there a Dark Magician in here from the Yugioh Gold? Another Oath Dragon. Xianke Magician, I probably said that wrong. Odd Eyes Pendulum Dragon, Twin Twister again, Dragon Pit, Time Gazer, another Pendulum Call, Odd Eyes Pendulum Dragon, Sacred Sword. Ooh, nice. Secret Rare Regeki, First Ed from Legendary Collection, another Effect Veiler, Mist Valley Apex Avian, Dragon Pulse Magician, Magispector Unicorn Keyring, another Keyring, Wisdom Eye Magician, Apex Avian, super rare Vanity's Emptiness. It's First Ed, Dragon Pit Magician, Summoner's Art, the common, Effect Veiler, Bottomless Trap Hole. Oh, that's nice. That's the one from the gold rare set. Pendulum Call, Dark Magician, Time Gazer Magician. And then this bag is just a bunch of commons and rares, I think, that he had. Just the rest of his commons and rares. Just get all this. It's probably a bunch of bulk, but we'll find out. I'm gonna get all this out of the bag and go through it. Thessalos, the common, Grand Horn of Heaven, Mystical Space Typhoon, Amobius, Monarchs Erupt. Oh, so we got some Monarchs. Dark Smorg, Santa Claus, High Speed Roid, Kendama? Yeah, Kendama. Monarch stuff, common Key Beetle, the reprint, Call the Haunted, Phantom Knights, Fragile Armor. I haven't seen that one. Cairn Gorgon. I probably said that wrong. Call the Haunted, MST, Super Quantum Fairy something, Needlebug Nest, Booby Trap E. Ooh, Super Quantum Blue Layer. That's nice. Super Quantum stuff, Phantom Knight stuff, Monarch stuff, Monarchs, Noble Knight stuff, Toons, Sabor, Grand Marg, more Monarchs, Rainbow, Kribo, reprint, Fairy Wind reprint, Chimera Tech Rampage Dragon, I haven't seen that, Red Eyes Retro Dragon, Magispector Toad. Ooh, nice. A Super Quantum Mech Beast Grand Pulse. Key Beetle. I'm just gonna go through stuff. If it's something new, I'll say the name. Garoom, the Storm Vassal. Okay, some more Monarch stuff. Battle Fader. Monarchs. Trade-in. Alright, couple common trade-ins. Enemy Controller. Dice Foon. Monarchs. Lots of Monarch stuff by the Order of the Emperor. Some of this Monarch stuff I've never even seen, so Oh, a token. Alright. Tragodia. I don't know if anyone's even playing Tragodia right now. Lots of Monarchs. This guy really liked Monarchs, apparently. I mean, I like Monarchs too, but I don't have this much extra stuff of Monarchs. Dandelion, there was a Mathematician there. Common Mathematician from some starter deck. I'm guessing it's one of the newer starter decks because I haven't seen that common one before. And I'm gonna switch hands over here. Battle Fader. I'm guessing a bunch of more Monarch stuff. Time Break Magician. Oh, some Pendulum stuff. We got a Monkey Board. Guitardle. Alright. Kaiju. Ninja Shogun. Monkey Board. Dino Mist. Enemy Controller. Dice Foon. Monarchs. I'm just gonna go through this Monarch stuff fast. Pinpoint Guard. Monarchs, Soul Exchange, Monarchs, Monarchs, Monarchs. And you guys are probably tired of me saying Monarchs by now. I'm just gonna go through that really fast. See if there's anything else in here other than Monarchs. Draco Face Off, alright. High Speedroid Hagoita, a Goyo King. He's actually a pretty good card. I played against him. Dude stole my monster. Draco Face Off. Some more pendulums. More pendulums. More Monarchs. Rainbow Karibo. Monarchs. Man, so much Monarch stuff. More Tragodia. Dandelion. Mathematician. Oh, Level Eater. Okay, cool. That's nice. Mathematician, Dandelion, Level Eater. That's from that starter deck. More Monarchs. Frost Monarch. Speedroid, Dendaiko Duke. Digital Bug Rhinos Bus. Amorphage. Kaiju. Carrot Weight Champion. These cards are upside down. Angel Trumpeter. Morphage Glutton. Lunalite Leo Dancer. Oh, cool. The super rare Lunalite. Lunalite Blue Cat. Cattle Call. That's actually a pretty good card for if you're playing Raid Raptors. Tuner's High. Spirit of the Fall Wind. Haven't seen that card. And a Red Eyes Toon Dragon. And it came with a couple deck boxes as well. These are actually nice deck boxes. They're not bad. So that's it. That's all the cards that came in that shoebox right there with the paper towels. It was a pretty good lot to pick up. I'm pretty pleased. That's it, guys. I'm out.